Hi, this is Glenda, and today I wanted to show you how to add a lace effect to soap that's either already cured or that is in the process of curing. And I believe you could probably also use it on soap that's freshly cut. You may just need to be extra careful because it will probably still be soft. And what I have here are just some bars in which I will do it. And I have also some soap dough. Now this is actually leftover soap from a different project that it actually is working out good. What I use for this one, for example, are these stencils, and I cut them with my silhouette machine and using their their stencil material. However, you could also buy something like this. I have one for my scrapbooking, craft tools, and I was able to find one online. I'm gonna put a link in the blog, which the link to the blog will be in the description if you want to check it out. So this is pretty much just like a thin plastic that has this detail cut out, and I figured that for this soap that it has a light color, I'm gonna try using perhaps the black soap dough. And now this is a soap dough made with a recipe from Sorcery Soaps, and at the time I think because of the weather here is really sticky, but that actually works in our favor for this kind of stenciling. So what I'm gonna do first is just decide where I want to have it, and I'm just gonna have it on top, and then I have to hold it firm with my fingers so that it doesn't move. And pretty much I just have a big blob, and I'm just gonna smear it while having a firm hold on it. And the first time I did it last night, I just left it like this, and it was actually a pain to clean the stencil. So today I'm gonna do it the same way I've done it in scrapbooking with other materials, and I'm just going to scratch it or just use in this case I'm using a crawler car, but just a material that's allows you to scrape. And here I can see that some spots don't have, so I'm gonna come back at these spots that seem empty. So just to make sure that I do have something in every little spot. Right, when I'm satisfied with how it looks like most of the cavities have something, and if they don't, I just come back and then I scrape it again. Now I can lift it, and that's what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna let it cure. Okay, on this soap I'm going to use the white, which is the leftover soap that I kept wrapped so it doesn't go hard. So this one is not as sticky as the black one was, but it's the same process, and it has more of a transparency, which lace is sort of transparent, so it sort of goes with that, although I would prefer it if it was more opaque actually. And I'm gonna go slow here. And there we go. And when you're done, you just have to either let them soak in water or wash them carefully. Okay, looks like this one I messed it up some. The advantage of this is that because it's just freshly applied, you could easily just pick it out. I'm not gonna pick everything out just because I don't want to redo it, but I could just scratch it off and then do it again. But anyway, if you decide to try this idea, let me know how it works for you. Thank you. Bye.